Hi there! I'm very curious about these matter I found. Some look sharp and some look round. What are they? Why do they exist?
Try this out.
That's right, these are rocks and minerals. But do you have any idea how these two are connected? What are the similarities between rocks and minerals? How do they differ? Okay, Earth's crust is the source of a wide variety of minerals, and many of which are useful and essential to people. Most people are familiar with the common use of basic metals, including aluminum in beverage cans, copper in electrical wiring, gold in jewelry, and silicon in computer chips. In addition to that, every process studied by geologists depends in some way on the properties of these basic earth materials. Events such as volcanic eruption, mountain building, weathering and erosion, and even earthquakes involve rocks and minerals. Want to know more about these things? Come and join us as we blast off the rocket ship of new learning. Rocks on Earth may be composed of hundreds of possible minerals, but only 20 to 30 minerals are common in the majority of rocks. Minerals are made up of combinations of nearly 100 different elements, yet only 8 elements make up over 98% of the Earth's crust. We tie the three major rock groups together in the rock cycle, a simplified view of the formation of different rocks to illustrate the potential interaction between rock types. Minerals as the building blocks of rocks. Geologists define minerals as any naturally occurring inorganic solids that possess an orderly internal structure and a definite chemical composition. Thus, for any earth material to be considered a mineral, it must exhibit the following characteristics. We have number 1. It must occur naturally. It is a mineral if it has been formed by geologic processes without any human intervention. Number 2. It must be inorganic or was never alive. A mineral is inorganic if it is formed by inorganic processes and does not contain any organic compounds. Number 3. A mineral should be solid. A mineral should exhibit stability at room temperature, which can only be attained if it is solid. Number 4. It must possess an orderly internal structure, that is, its atom must be arranged in a definite pattern. And number 5. It must have a definite chemical composition that may vary within specific limits. Rocks, on the other hand, are more loosely defined. Simply, a rock is any solid mass of mineral or mineral-like matter that occurs naturally as part of our planet. A few rocks are composed of almost entirely of one mineral. A common example is the sedimentary rock, or limestone, which consists of impure masses of the mineral calcite. However, most rocks, like the common rock granite, occur as aggregates of several kinds of minerals. The term aggregates implies that the minerals are joined in such a way that the properties of each mineral are retained. Just a quick trivia. The world's largest rock is called Mount Augustus, which sits in the Golden Outback of Western Australia. Composition and structure of mineral. Each of Earth's nearly 4,000 minerals has a unique substance that is defined by its chemical composition and internal structure. What elements make up a particular mineral? In what pattern are its elements bonded together? Let us have a brief review about the basic building blocks of minerals, which are the chemical element. At present, we have 112 elements that are known, but only 92 are naturally occurring. Some minerals, such as gold and sulfur, are made entirely from one element, but most elements are not stable. Thus, most of them are a combination of two or more elements joined together to form a chemically stable compound.